My entire mastermind group is coming to Dubai now. It's one of my favorite ones. This is my definition of happiness. Look at this. In 3 hours we are heading to the desert. Yes, how many people come? Time to confront the devil. Alright guys, welcome back in this week's vlog. And this week's vlog is going to start a bit hectic, since I have the mastermind in 2 hours and I just realized that I forgot my ties during the moving, or at least I lost them, okay? So I am all suited up, but no tie, okay? I will quickly go to Hermes now to pick up my ties, and then I will take you guys with me. A lot of lessons in this vlog, so keep watching. And of course, one of the best feelings in the morning. Nice, there we go. It's time to fridge up. There we go. Hermes, we're ready now. Now we're really ready. Kijk, nu heb ik een soort Dracula op me. Nu lijkt het mij op zie. Alright guys, so quick explanation. My entire mastermind group is coming to Dubai now from literally all across the world. We have people from Australia, from the US, from the Netherlands, from Germany, from Croatia, literally from everywhere. They're all coming now. We're going to fill up this one and I'm going to show them exactly what we are going to do in the upcoming 90 days in the market. Since at the end of the day, this is the moment when you can make the most out of the markets. When there is uncertainty, no one knows anymore what to do, bear market, bull market, and this is when I go the hardest. So it's time to put everyone on sharp and crush it in the upcoming time.
Down.
Before I go Alright guys, so the mastermind is done. It was a crazy one. To be honest, this was the craziest one till now. One of the crazy things is how you can see, how you can just program some people, their minds into bad thoughts, into good ones, and how we are going to use all of their painful moments in life. And we're going to use them as gunpowder, especially in trading. So I'm now with my car going to my cigar shop because I think I deserved a nice cigar, and tomorrow we are going to do some good stuff with the group as well. So now it's time to pick up the cigar. Guys, sad news. Usually I always have this edition but then of Punch. It's one of my favorite ones. But now we have the ones from Hoyo de Monterrey. It is what it is, but still it's good, especially if you're going to dinner with some of my friends, for example. Then this is always a very good package because it has 5 in them. Again, usually I have Punch, but now we have Hoyo de Monterrey, so it's time to just pick this entire thing up here and have some smokes for tonight. And of course guys, one of the best things to do at cigar places is just to buy the entire shelf. That's what you need to do. Ik weet dat toepakken leeft, want ik voel hem in mijn geest. Teruglijf binnen Amsterdamse school. Ik heb de rijmzame schrift in de tip. Alright guys, so the mastermind yesterday was about how to create a 90-day battle plan. Because in my opinion, doing stuff in 90 days is always the best way. Especially people always like to have the new year, new me, but most of the time after 3 months they didn't do anything, after 6 months they didn't do anything, and then after 9 months they think, maybe I need to change. They're going to work a bit on themselves, they see difference, and then again they will create the new year's thing, and what happens is they forget about it again. I want you to make sure that in the upcoming 90 days you are going to become a beast, okay? When I say become a beast, I need you to understand one thing. Everyone always wants to be tough, but no one actually wants to do tough things. Everyone always wants to be patient, okay? But no one wants to wait a bit longer than overnight for success. You need to understand one thing. In the upcoming 90 days, I want you to challenge yourself. I want you to challenge yourself in business. I want you to challenge yourself in fitness. I want you to challenge yourself in networking. This is what you need to do if you want to grow. So what did I do is I went with everyone, I sat down and I was looking, okay, what is your pain? Okay, some people, their parents died, some people they broke up in a very long relationship. Everyone has a certain level of pain and that is their daily motivator. What happens is because of this pain, a lot of people, they take out their phone now instead. Well, that motivation, we can use it as gunpowder, and that is what we need to do, okay? So we need to get the pain, we need to feel the pain, and we need to use it as gunpowder. One of my pains is that, for example, my father died when I was 18. The other ones, I stutter. When you're looking at me, I am a walking problem, okay? But at the end of the day, always people told me, yeah, and you cannot do this because you stutter, and because of your ADHD, you cannot do this, and because of this I want to do everything. I want to prove them wrong, alright? That is my pain, and that is why I'm doing everything I can to actually do it. So what I'm going to do now is we have a dinner with the entire group. I'm going to take you with us to one of my favorite restaurants, Namos, and let's go. Yesterday on Instagram, and a lot of people asked me where my suits are from. Everything is from Loro Piana, okay? So Loro Piana, and then the material, yes, from Loro Piana, here. This is the material. Good luck. So guys, we need to make sure that they can survive. So I provide them with oxygen tonight, so everyone can have a great evening. As everyone knows, the only thing you need in life is coffee and oxygen.
When you're bluffing, even when we're asleep, we still dream that.
Alright guys, this is my definition of happiness. Look at this. Everyone in here is just one big family here. Look at this. This is how we do the market wizards. Okay guys, the gym turned into a complete different story. Someone in the Discord said, listen, I'm going for a run tomorrow morning. I said, you're a pussy, we're doing this at 4 AM tonight. It's now 1. So in 3 hours we're heading to the desert. And we're going for a run in the desert with the group. So let's see. Alright guys, so there we're heading to the desert with toilet paper, 60 liters of water for the group. It's time to go. Okay, 3 times all the way towards you. Okay. Now other side. Okay guys, good luck, and it's time to confront the devil. Guys, this is the thing. When I'm looking at this group, this is literally what my vision was. A group that I can call at 4 AM in the morning and say, listen up, we're currently in the desert, let's fucking run. And guess how many people come? I expected 5, maybe 10 from the 30 people. 25 people are here. I told them, I don't care if you run 5 kilometers, if you maybe run 100 meters or a full marathon. If you just already show up here at 4, in my opinion, you're a winner. Now it's for myself time to prove that I'm a winner as well. Alright guys, we did it. I did 26.5 kilometers. And to be honest, I'm dead. Literally. I met a voice again that I didn't know that it existed. That was very good. I'm very proud of everyone from the group who did it as well. There are 2 more walking as well. Some are still running. But I think on average, almost everyone did between 15k and half a marathon. I have nothing to say, I'm just in pain, to be honest. I'm in the pain cave, so that's good. But my legs, I think for the upcoming 4 days I won't be able to walk. I'm just eating my date now, drinking some water. And I think I'm just going to enjoy the pain for a while in the car now. So guys, everyone always asks me, Camille, your dedication and this and this and this. Now they might watch this video now and they want to ask, okay, can I do the 26 kilometers without training as well? I told you guys, oxygen. It's the only thing you need to actually train. Alright guys, so I know it's still the beginning of the documentary, but I think you already see which way it's heading. With no training, with no preparation, nothing, we did half a marathon. I had something to prove to myself, and I met the voice again. And this is just the start. I can't wait to show you guys what the end result is. One thing's for sure, in the upcoming 3 days I'm just going to lay in bed and just recover so I can get back on track fast. Guys, listen, the guy from the interviews, okay? The guy who shares profits every single day in the chat, he did 50. I thought that I was cool with half a marathon. This motherfucker, he comes back and he does 50. This is why he's in the group, and this is why he's one of the best ones. Fucking beast, fucking beast. That's how we do it. Bro, you're... By the way guys, quick side note for if you ever want to run a half marathon. My preparations were no sleep and 7 cigars before. That is what I would say is the optimal performance. Alright guys, I'm going to be completely honest. I kind of underestimated the aftermath of this running thing. My entire body hurts. Like everything. My lungs, my shoulders, my biceps, everything. So I just basically, I locked myself up in my room. I'm happy that the life of a day trader isn't the most active one when I'm looking physically. Because if I'm looking at this, let me show you. I tried to sleep for a bit. My recovery is 5%. It's not very good. But when I'm looking at BTC, this is something that makes me pretty happy. Why? Because I've been waiting for a very long time at a structure break, and I'm starting to get it. Still, one of the levels that I hope to get is 72, 74, and it could even go all the way towards 68. Those are the levels that I'm currently waiting for. I have a group with my one-on-one clients in half an hour, so we're going to crush that one, and I think after that it will be time for some real sleep. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let's make sure that we will make 20 times more crazy videos than this.